Presenting a pre-owned 2009 Pontiac G8 GT. This four-door sedan has an 8-cylinder, 6.0-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Pontiac has less than 162,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include Premium Package, Sport Package, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, spare tire kit, power windows and window defogger.